Hello friends, welcome to Study with Harshit. Today I am going to share with you digital marketing process. There are 5 steps in digital marketing process. First one, research. Second, create. Third, promote. Fourth, analyze. Fifth, optimize. Research. At this stage, you research about business, target customer, product, service, and competition. Create. At this stage, you create your digital marketing goals, digital marketing strategy, digital marketing plan, and primary digital identities, website, blog, and app. Promote. At this stage, you start promoting your primary digital identities through various digital marketing channels like search engine, display networks, e-commerce, social media, email, messages, and affiliate programs. Analyze. At this stage, you look the various analytics include the most important analytics, that is website, blog, app analytics, and compare them with your goals. And last one is optimize. At this stage, based on analyzing and observing, you start making changes, fine tuning. The changes could be in your primary digital identities or digital marketing channels. For more videos like this, please subscribe Study with Harshit. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you so much for watching this video.